Hi friends, here is a nice problem that came in IIT JEE 2003. This is actually a very simple problem. It looks difficult, but in fact it is pretty straightforward. We are given a function which is a ratio of two quadratic equations, x square plus x plus 2, x square plus x plus 1. If we notice, x square plus x plus 2 is always 1 greater than x square plus x plus 1 because this is 1 and this is 2. Rest all is same, right? So the numerator is always 1 greater than denominator. And secondly, b square minus 4ac is less than 0 for both the cases, right? B square minus 4ac, 1 minus 8, 1 minus 4. In both cases, it is less than 0. What does that mean? These two graphs are never touching x-axis. They are always positive. Basically, what we are saying, we have the ratio of two positive numbers and the denominator is always 1 less than the numerator. Simply put, we have a fraction like this, a plus 1 by b. Okay. Now, what is the range of this thing? What is the range of this thing? So, for example, if we take numbers like 100 by 99 or 50 by 49 or 10 by 9 or 4 by 3 or 2 by 1, etc. Like this, right? Now, when is the value of this fraction highest? Value of this is highest when a comma a plus 1 are lowest, right? So, for example, 4 by 3 is greater than 100 by 99. Right. As a and a plus 1 increases, the value of the fraction will come closer to 1. Right. If it is 1000 by 999, that would be even smaller than this. Right. So, value of this fraction is highest when a plus 1 and a are lowest. For example, 2 by 1 is greater than 4 by 3. Right, guys. So, now when are these lowest? That is the question. We have x square plus x plus 2 and x square plus x plus 1. Okay, so the value of the fraction is highest when both are lowest. Both are lowest means when these are graphs like this. These are graphs like this. When are the lowest? They are lowest at their lowest points. The lowest points, the vertex, x coordinate of the vertex is same for both of this one. What is the x coordinate of the vertex? Minus b by 2a. What is that? Minus half. Okay, at x equals minus half, this graph is also lowest, this graph is also lowest. Basically, a plus 1 is also lowest, a is also lowest. And what is that lowest value? Minus half whole square, minus half plus 2, minus half whole square, minus half plus 1. So that is a fraction, which is nothing but 1 by 4 minus half plus 2, 1 by 4 minus half plus 1, which is nothing but 2 minus 1 by 4 by 2 minus 1 by 4 by 1 minus 1 by 4, which is nothing but 7 by 4 by 3 by 4, which is nothing but 7 by 3. Okay, so a plus 1 by a, the lowest you can get is 7 by, sorry, the highest, the fraction will reach the highest point at 7 by 3. What is the lowest? Lowest can be 1, but it will not be equal to 1. Okay, when x equals minus 1 by 2, then this fraction is reaching the highest level because the numerator is also lowest at x equal to minus 1 by 2 and denominator is also lowest. Okay, if you look at the graphs, it will look like this. Okay, one is x square plus x plus 2. This is the red graph. Okay, always 1 higher than 2. So if this is 1, this will be 2. This is 3, that will be 4. Likewise. Okay, this is x square plus x plus 1. When is so the ratio is always a plus 1 by a. When is this maximum? When both are lowest. That is here. When both are lowest, the fraction is highest. So this is the value of this fraction. See, the value of this fraction, obviously when x tends to infinity, a plus 1 and a plus a comes too close. But that's why they will approach 1. if you see asymptote, that is approaching 1, this one, right? When x tends to infinity or x tends to minus infinity also. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. So x square plus x plus 2 plus x plus 2 by x plus x plus 1, they will tend to 1. They'll tend to 1 as when x approaches infinity, because both two lines come too close. I mean, the difference is 1. The fraction, the numerator and denominator are becoming very big, but still the difference is 1. That's why the value of fraction will approach 1. And the value of the fraction will be highest when both these numbers, both the numerator and denominator are lowest, which is happening at their vertex, which is minus b by 2a, and the value of the fraction at this vertex is 7 by 3, which is what we have figured out. So it is reaching the fraction is reaching the highest value of 7 by 3, and 1 is the lowest value. Highest value is inclusive, lowest value is open bound. Right. So 1, 7 by 3 is the answer. Very simple problem. We don't need to do a lot of manipulation. Just geometric understanding of this will give instant result. Thank you guys.